Imagine a vast, wild river cutting through the last great wilderness. This is the Yukon. In these silty waters swims a legend, the White King Salmon, known as the ghost of the river. Stories of this pale, elusive fish have echoed for centuries among those who call the Yukon home. Spotting one is a rare, magical event, a flash of white in the murky depths, gone as quickly as it appeared. The White King isn't just rare, it seems to glow against the river's gloom, earning its ghostly name. For indigenous communities, the White King is a treasure, a symbol of fortune and spiritual power. Catching one is an honor, celebrated by all, woven into tradition and identity. These fish embody the deep connection between people and the river that sustains them. The ghost salmon is more than a biological oddity, it's living history. Today, we journey into the Yukon's heart to uncover the secrets of this mysterious salmon. We'll explore its unique coloration, epic migration, and the challenges it faces in a changing world. The search for the White King is a quest into the soul of the wilderness, a story of survival, tradition, and the urgent need to protect these natural wonders. To understand the ghost salmon, you must first know its home, the mighty Yukon River. Stretching thousands of miles from British Columbia to the Bering Sea, the Yukon is a liquid highway through rugged wilderness. Every year, millions of salmon return from the ocean to spawn, but Yukon kings travel farther than any other, up to 2,000 miles upstream. They don't eat during this journey, relying on stored fat as they battle currents, rapids, and predators. It's an epic test of endurance. The Yukon's extremes, endless summer days, brutal winters, shape every living thing along its banks. The river is the lifeblood of the ecosystem, supporting bears, eagles, forests, and people. For the White King, the Yukon is both sanctuary and gauntlet. Its wildness makes the salmon's journey perilous, and only the strongest survive. Every bend, every rapid, every predator is a test. Among the millions, the rarest of all is the ghost, a pale swimmer fighting its way home. In this vast wilderness, the White King's journey is a testament to nature's resilience. What makes a White King salmon different? It's all in the genes. Most king salmon have vibrant orange-red flesh, colored by carotenoids from their ocean diet. White Kings, though, have flesh that's creamy white, despite eating the same food. The secret is a rare recessive gene that prevents them from storing those pigments in their muscles. They're just as healthy and powerful as their red-fleshed relatives. For a salmon to be white, it must inherit this gene from both parents. Because the gene is recessive, most salmon are carriers or don't have it at all. Only when two carriers mate is there a chance for a White King to be born. This genetic lottery makes every ghost salmon a marvel of nature. Their rarity is a testament to the hidden diversity within the Yukon's king salmon. Each White King is a living example of nature's endless variety. The genetics of the White King salmon are a puzzle scientists are still piecing together. The white flesh gene is rare, and only salmon inheriting it from both parents become White Kings. Most are carriers, invisible to the eye, but crucial for the gene's survival. The odds are slim, like winning a genetic lottery in a vast river. Some Yukon tributaries have more White Kings, likely due to isolated populations where the gene is more common. This helps researchers focus their studies and conservation efforts. Understanding this genetic puzzle isn't just curiosity, it's vital for the health of all Yukon kings. Genetic diversity is a survival toolkit, helping salmon adapt to new threats. The White King is a living indicator of that diversity. Protecting it means safeguarding the resilience of the entire salmon population. How do you study a ghost? Scientists use creativity and collaboration to track the elusive White King salmon. Genetic sampling is key. A tiny fin clip from a caught salmon reveals its genetic code. Thousands of samples create a genetic map, showing where White Kings are most likely to appear. Telemetry is another tool. Tiny transmitters are implanted in salmon, allowing researchers to track their epic migrations. These signals reveal where salmon travel, rest, and spawn. When a White King is tagged, its journey provides invaluable data. But technology alone isn't enough. Local and indigenous communities are essential partners, sharing knowledge and helping collect samples. Fishermen are the river's eyes and ears, making research possible. This partnership benefits everyone. Scientific findings help communities manage fisheries and protect their way of life. Together, they're unraveling the mysteries of the ghost salmon. The collaboration ensures the White King's story is told, and its future protected. In the Yukon, science and tradition work hand in hand. The White King salmon's importance goes far beyond its color. For scientists, it's a window into the Yukon's genetic diversity, a sign of a healthy ecosystem. For indigenous peoples, it's a sacred being, a symbol of respect and connection to the river. Catching one is a rare honor, celebrated and shared within the community. Its story is passed down through generations, reinforcing cultural bonds. Economically, the White King's rarity draws anglers and adds value to local fisheries. Its mystique makes it a powerful ambassador for conservation. The White King's struggle highlights the challenges facing all Yukon salmon. Its story inspires people to care about the river's future. The ghost salmon transforms a complex ecological issue into a compelling call for action. The White King salmon faces new threats, climate change chief among them. The Yukon is warming fast, stressing cold water fish like salmon. Warmer water slows migration, weakens immune systems, and can be deadly. Melting glaciers add silt, making it harder for salmon to breathe and navigate. Extreme floods and droughts disrupt spawning and block access to streams. In the ocean, shifting food sources force salmon to travel farther, returning with less energy for migration. These challenges stack up, making survival even harder for the rare White King. Every lost fish is a blow to the population. For a variant as rare as the ghost, the stakes are even higher. The White King's struggle is a warning for the entire Yukon ecosystem. Human activity adds to the White King's challenges. The Yukon has long supported vital fisheries, but declining salmon numbers make every catch more significant. Managing the fishery is complex, requiring cooperation between Canada and the US. Recent years have seen severe fishing restrictions, creating hardship for communities that depend on salmon. Conservation efforts are now more urgent than ever. Scientists and tribal governments work together to restore habitat and remove barriers to migration. Tubor skiansan sur biral, oru, amikronan sen priu. Give salmon the best chance to survive and reproduce. The White King, as a flagship species, inspires support for these efforts. Its story puts a face on the need for tough choices and habitat restoration. Stewardship of the ghost salmon is stewardship of the Yukon's natural heritage. Why care about a rare, pale fish in a remote river? Because the White King is more than a fish. It's a barometer for the Yukon's health. Its struggle mirrors the challenges facing the entire ecosystem. If the ghost disappears, it's a warning for all life that depends on the river. The White King also represents the magic and mystery that still exist in our world. It connects us to wild places and ancient traditions. For indigenous communities, its loss would be a profound cultural tragedy. Protecting the White King is about justice, respect, and honoring traditional knowledge. Saving the ghost salmon is a story of hope, of people uniting science and wisdom to protect what matters. The ghost is a symbol of resilience and the wild spirit of the Yukon. By fighting for its future, we fight for a world where wild rivers run free and mystery endures.